I feed my fish and I look 'em in the eye. I wonder, how did they happen to come by? How did they get in my tank? Frank said they came from a river bank. I love my fish, I love my fish. Did you notice that fish could fly? Over the rocks on the bottom of the tank, right by the glass they fly by. So I took Frank in a jar with a lid. I took him down to the river, I did. Gave him back to his family and friends. But this is a story that does not end. 'Cause I visit my fish in the summertime. I can swim with a mask just fine.